Correct.
But now here's
Thank
the
you.
second thing. Here's the thing which I would like to know. Can you ever recall a situation from your experience, from your exposure in your work, wherein you had to consciously change how you led the communication? You had to maybe step back, you have to restructure the ownership because yeah, just like you said, it's too much of work here and there. You have to be constantly doing lots of hard work and smart work. So no matter how well we go planned, at the last moment, some changes or the other will definitely happen. That's what leadership is all regarding. So can you ever tell some situation like this wherein you had to change your way such that you had to probably move around a bit, restructure the ownership, but you got better results because of
Yes, yes. So there is a many cases, many examples in my 31 years of industrial experience in various industries like engineering, textile, chemical, lime, bricks. And I have gone through, with the help of team, we have solved many critical problems and we have achieved many big tasks like brownfield project, greenfield projects. So yes, of course, there is a planning, there is a micro planning also. But at the last moment, something happened because everything is not in your control, you know. So the planning is okay, micro planning is okay, but as per the condition, as per that, for that particular moment, you have to be ready with your skill, knowledge, and with your team. Yes. So in my leadership journey, the pivotal moment occurred during a high stakes projects when I stepped into in personally rewrite several critical reports. For example, we have to, submit the project progress report every week to the top management. So first of all, I believed that at the time can be saving the team by ensuring perfections. So perfection is okay, but it not in everything. The world is not going through theory only. There is a practical, there is a experience, there is a skill. So you have to adapt flexibility and adaptability as per the condition of that particular moment. So sometimes we help, we feel that we are helpless due to some conditions, due to some pressure. So due to everything is not in our control. So yes, there are bottleneckings. So as a leader, you have to guide the team how to face the uncontrolled problems, which is not in our hand, but we can do something through your teamwork. So we have a brainstorming session. We have we have invited suggestions and guidance from everywhere because because at the time we are finding solutions. Problem है क्या करेंगे? Solve तो करना पड़ेगा. So वहाँ पे we have used our skill set of everybody from operator, technician, engineer, manager to even senior leaders also, because we have stuck and we have to solve the problems because so must go on. हम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि ये प्रॉब्लम आया हमको पता नहीं था और हम सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे. नो, that should be not the excuse or not an answer or not an alternative. So at that particular project execution, we stuck somewhere due to project layout, due to design fault. So now after the 3 hours brainstorming session, we have identified the alternate solutions. So literally, we have changed the route of pipelines with Hydra, crane, and big equipments and big teams and executions and drawings and layout. And with all safety precautions, we generally solve the problems. So I realized that कि सुपर हीरो लीडरशिप ऐसा केवल किताबों में होता है, लेकिन एक्चुअल जब हम प्रॉब्लम में फंस जाते हैं तब आपका
that.
व्हाट इज योर
Leadership.
स्किल. तो व्हाट इज योर लीडरशिप, है ना. टीम घबरा रही है, टीम स्केयर हो गई है, भाई अब क्या करेंगे, किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा,
वहाँ
तो
पे
तब
लीडर.
आपको कूल एंड काम नेचर रख के आपको पूरा कंडीशन समझ के यू हैव टू गाइड द टीम एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. दैट इज द रोल ऑफ लीडरशिप. लीडरशिप इज रोल इज नॉट द शाउटिंग. लीडरशिप रोल इज नॉट द ब्लेमिंग अदर्स. लीडरशिप रोल इज ऐसा नहीं पूछना है कि तुमने क्या किया, तुमने क्या ध्यान दिया. अरे भाई, आप लीडर हो, आपकी टीम से गलती हो गई, चलो ठीक है, गलती हो गई, इंसान है. आप क्या कर रहे हो एज अ लीडर, आपका क्या रोल है. सो दैट इज द की पॉइंट्स. So I always follow the 80% rule, 80-20 Pareto rule. It is applicable to every sphere of life, every sphere of workplace, software, institute, every work area. So yes, we prepare for 80%, but there is a always possibility of 20% problems arise suddenly, which is not foreseen before and which is absolutely out of control. And there is the role of leadership plays
Leadership.
a critical role for the management as well as for team. As a leader, you are sandwich. You are sandwich between your management, you are sandwich between your boss and your team. So वो प्रेशर झेलना आना चाहिए. So that is the leadership. So lead the problem solver is the, the troubleshooter, problem solver, guide the team. It is the, main, we can say main qualities of leader should achieve or should, learn. So leader is a team architect. लीडर जैसा चाहे आप ऐसा टीम बना सकते हो, आप टीम को मोटिवेट भी कर सकते हो, आप टीम को डीमोरलाइज भी कर सकते हो. सो इट एवरीथिंग इज गवर्न बाय लीडर, एवरीथिंग इज कंट्रोल बाय लीडर. लीडर चाहता है तो प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेस हो जाएगा, लीडर नहीं चाहेगा तो बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आएगी और फिर आप मैनेजमेंट को जवाब देते रहो.